Hey friends, Mike and Rochelle here out in the garden. Well, it's March the 26th. It's a Saturday and it's going to be 89 degrees today. Yeah, 89 degrees. It started. So we got all the watering in the garden done. We like to deep soak everything. Wow, the garden is doing great. I'm so happy. The onions are just going to be huge. Last year we had a blizzard. That's what we call it in Texas when you have snow on the ground for more than 5 days. So we've got some tree trimming to do. So we'll show you all the tree trimming that we've got to do on the dead branches. So we'll see you soon. Hey friends, well, we got most of it done, right, Rochelle? Yeah, we got most of the trees, as you can see right there. We'll just use that for cooking over the cowboy fire. Right now, it's time to fire up the smoker and fill it with meat. That'll be another video. See y'all later.